Guangzhou Best Electronic Technology Company Limited was established in 2010 and is located in Guangzhou, China, with occupying area of 5,000 square meter and having over 100 employees. We also have our own brands E-Lighting and Anteligi, and have 10 years of experience in LED lighting industries. As a recognized leading provider of LED solutions, we obtained more than 100 patents including design and utility models, always in the forefront of LED industry. E-Lighting has obtained ISO9001 Quality Management System Certification, RoHS, and some other certificates. Our professional and experienced R&D team combining the up-to-date technology into every product design, provides strong technical support for clients' customized needs. Meanwhile, our 5,000 square meter factory ensures big production capacity with high-quality products by strict controls on the manufacture process and quality inspection. And our production department always insists on the idea responsible for the quality of each product, strict control for incoming materials and final goods inspection before shipment. From 2010 till now, E-Lighting always focuses on high-technology LED products development and manufacturing. LED linear light, LED tri-proof light, LED track light, LED track panel light and other LED products. Our customers cover Germany, Netherlands, Switzerland, Australia, Russia, Ecuador, Brazil, Malaysia, Singapore and China, etc. 100 countries. Our products are well received by the global market. Our reliable quality products and excellent after-sales services make E-Lighting a reputed brand well received by the customers from all over the world. We have been focusing on the investment in science and technology, and have established long-term cooperative relations with many abroad supermarkets and LED company. E-Lighting is working hard to be the top-class brand in the world LED lighting industry. E-Lighting, your best LED product solution.